In this video, let's talk about do you put Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers on the front and back? Let's check it.
Whether you need to put Mitsubishi spacers on the front and back depends on your Pajero. Most of the Pajero on the road today are four-wheel drive. It is necessary to have wheel spacers installed on all four tires, because when the four-wheel drive system works, the right amount of torque to each wheel is sent to minimize slippage and maximize control. If you install Mitsubishi Pajero spacers on the front wheels, then you need to install spacers on the back wheels too. Every car will leave a certain wheel gap for slight change in tire size. However, most cars look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires are flush with the fender. By installing proper Mitsubishi Pajero spacers on the front and back wheels, you can easily make vehicle look sporty and aggressive. Besides, these Mitsubishi Pajero spacers increase the track width, hence improving stability. The contact point with the ground stand wider apart, increasing road resistance. You will experience better handling of the curve. There are different Mitsubishi Pajero spacers, bolt-on types and slip-on types. The bolt-on types come with wheel stud. They are bolted to the vehicle hubs, and following the wheels are secured on the Mitsubishi Pajero spacers with stock lug nut. This allows you to achieve a full direct engagement without changing the stock stud. Because of this structure, they are usually thick in size, like 1 inch, 1.5 inch, or even 3 inch. When choosing the Mitsubishi Pajero spacers for brakes, there are some aspects you should take into consideration. In brief words, it would be even better if the spacers can solve the rubbing problem and provide more functions. Bonus Forge FT Cooling Mitsubishi Pajero spacers improve brake cooling efficiency. The heat dissipation group sends the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Additionally, Bonus Mitsubishi Pajero spacers offer a 10-year warranty. This is because Bonus is confident in the product functionality and quality. This 10-year warranty protects the customer's interest and ensures product quality and safety. Each Bonus genuine wheel spacer is Bonus in grade. These Mitsubishi spacers are made in Bonus own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. And only genuine Bonus Mitsubishi Pajero spacers are covered by 10-year warranty.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.